So we see the trend in the pharmaceutical industry for smaller batch sizes and more sophisticated products. The demand for flexible and reliable production systems is steadily increasing. So for this reason, the transformation towards automation and digitalization continues in the pharmaceutical industry. So therefore, it is important to make the production faster, more efficient and more reliable. And there we support with digitally controlled processes which are being implemented at all levels, from field to management. With OMNIA, we are paving the way of digitalization. It's a central platform for everything to do with Bausch+Ströbel production systems. A platform that supports turnkey integration into higher level systems from the point of delivery, as well as offering a broad range of digital services. Our vision with OMNIA is to unlock new possibilities during production for future-oriented pharmaceutical companies.
Our vision with OMNIA is to create one central point for all information around the Bausch+Ströbel machines. First of all, we provide IoT readiness for all our machines, so we have an OMNIA gateway in every machine which collects the data and provides information to our HMI, so you can use it locally on the machine without any need of a connection outside the machine network. Also, we have the Connect module, which provides the information to higher level systems like an MES system or any other system you want to get the data into. And we have some modules for reduce the downtime of the machines, like our documentation or troubleshooting module, which supports operators with all the information that is needed for alarms.